G'day everybody, I'm Jason from Ucodemy, and today we're going to take a run through the Science Labeler project. And I'm currently looking at the Science Labeler Studio. I've got a few projects in here, but the one we want to look at using will be the project that's our template for the Science Labeler. And the template project essentially has the directions if you go to the YouTube video link here about how to actually do it. So what we're going to do today is change this template to work with a animal cell as the item we want to label instead. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to open up this project to see inside, and we want to change first of all the parts that we're going to label, and I could go in here and just delete these individually, or an even quicker way is to go to the data, the parts list down here, and I want to delete all of the parts. If I just click that, that will clear them all. Alternatively, I can just load in here. I'm going to import the new parts that I want to use, and the way I do that is I'll go to my a text file that I've created for the different parts that I want to add in, and I have those right here. Let me just find them for a second. They're in my Coding Labs, Science Labeler, animal cell parts. Okay, there we go. And it just loads those in. They're just line break separated strings, or I can type in the new ones. And now if I ran this, it would try to get me to label these onto my heart, but I don't want to do that. I also want to change the heart to be a different costume. So I'm going to import a costume from file. And again, I have another diagram that's going to use here, which is the unlabeled version of my animal cell project. And I choose that. And I want to position it. And for this one, I'm just going to change the background to a blank background to make it a little nicer to look at. Now when I run this, it's going to ask me to label each of those, and I've just put the items in order, so I just go around the circle of where I'm going to put them. So we're going to go from here, so I'm just going to quickly go through and label each of these, and that fills in our positions of where each of these labels belongs. And now we're in a state where it's ready to play as a game. And so if I save as a copy, I can call this, or if you've remixed the project, that'll work too, Science Labeler, and this will be animal cell. And now, if every time I play, it'll run through and restart the game with turns. I can also go to the relabel button, and I might want to actually just hide that. So go to looks and hide that button, and go ahead and save it again. And that's the Science Labeler project now changed into a game to label an animal cell. So you can do that with whatever image you want of your own, with your own list of items. So you can see it's pretty easy to create your own Science Labeler. Good luck, and try it out.